Let's make tuna salad. 3/4 cup of chopped celery, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of plain non-fat yogurt, 1 lemon, 1 to 2 hard-boiled eggs, pre-washed baby arugula, 2 cans of albacore white tuna, 1 stalk of green onion. You want to cut it in half so then we can chop it into bite-sized pieces so then it is mixed in well with the tuna. So here we have the eggs finely chopped or coarsely chopped. Again, these can be added for extra protein in the tuna salad itself. Next, now we're gonna add some our light mayonnaise. And then for this recipe, it does call for 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. Give this a little mix together so then it's all started. We are now then gonna start with our non-fat plain yogurt for another 1/4 of a cup. Next, we are going to use our albacore white tuna. And with this recipe, it does call for 2 cans. Now once you have the bed of the salad of your choosing on the plate, we are then going to add our mixture of our tuna mix onto top. All right, for the final touches of our salad, so we are going to put some green onions, add a little bit more depth of flavor on top. Also going to add some lemon zest. So this recipe is very versatile. It's very quick. It takes around 10 minutes. A lot of the time would be just prep work, and then after you can just enjoy a quick little meal.